Hey guys, Jared here, and I got this product to review and I'm so excited about it. So this is a 7-filtered vacuum that is cordless and has a self-standing feature. So this also has a battery pack that you can charge either on the vacuum or you can charge it by itself. This vacuum has a lifespan of within about 20-something minutes while it's on the high power, and on the low power it's good for about an hour and 5, hour and 10 minutes or so. Got the instruction manual. And we've got all the parts and accessories. The mount for this is going to use this, and you'll put this right on the wall. And it comes with the screws to put this right into the wall. And then here's the vacuum itself. Now the battery pack, once again, it is detachable. You can charge it by itself, or you can charge it in the vacuum. To charge this, you're going to use the power cord that comes with it and plug it right in here. And then the battery pack itself just goes right in here, right on top. Now it does have 3 different settings. On the highest setting, it's going to last for about 20-ish, 23, 24 minutes. And then on the lowest setting, it's going to last an hour to an hour and 5 minutes. Now to open up the chamber here, you're going to press this button. To lock and unlock this area here, and this is where all the dirt and debris goes, you're going to press this button here, then you'll turn, and this will pop right off. On top, you can already see that there's a filter in here, so you can just pull this up and right out. And then to change this, you'll just pop this right out, change the carbon filter, and then change the actual filter itself, and it comes with an extra one right here. And then you'll just put this back in with the carbon filter on the bottom, and then the other filter right on top. And then we'll just pop this right back in, and then put this right back on the vacuum. Unlock position, turn it so it's in the lock position, and then it won't release until you press this button. Otherwise, it won't come on and off. Now, the additional attachments here, this extension piece is gonna go on right here. And then you can attach any other extension that you want, or you can just use this by itself by putting the attachments right onto the main vacuum itself and off when you're done. You can even pop on the base of the vacuum onto this right here. So this would be great for doing stairs. It'd be really easy. This is pretty lightweight, so we can even have the girls use this too if we wanted to, but we'll see if they do it or not. And there we go. So now to extend this up, we're just going to press this button right here on the back. And you've got a great amount of range here. If you needed to get underneath some furniture, you don't have to get too far or too close to it. You can just be in one spot, extend your full arm, and get about 4 feet of cleaning just by having this fully extended. And then to bring it back down, you're just going to press this button right here. Then you're good to go. Now to charge this, once again, we're going to plug this right in here, right on the side. And it does take a few hours for this to charge. So now the girls made a little mess here. They spilt their little sand creation. So let's clean this up. I say they did pretty good, right, buddy? So once again, we were given this product to review. It does a fantastic job. It's extremely lightweight to where I can actually run this while holding on to my baby. I'm able to clean up everything with the attachments using the crevice tool and using just the regular vacuum. It's adjustable and it has a long range, so you can really get underneath surfaces. It has a good runtime with 20 minutes up to an hour and 5 minutes. So if you're looking for a vacuum that actually works well and you can multitask with, I would definitely say check this out.